Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So we're going to be clearing app cache on Chromecast. We're going to do this in settings. So follow me step by step. I'm going to go to quick settings, all settings, and I'll head down to apps. Under apps, I'm going to go to see your apps. So under see your apps, you're going to find the app of choice for which you want to clear cache. So maybe you want to clear cache for the Magellan TV app. Just click on that app and then head over to these settings. You can find clear data, clear cache, and so on. So if you click on clear cache and click on OK, that's going to clear the cache for the app. I'll show you another example with another app that I use more frequently, which will have a larger cache. I think YouTube. So YouTube has very small cache as well. I'm looking for another app which has a reasonable cache. File manager plus should be one. So yes, 20.48 kilobytes. To clear this, just click on it and click on OK. That clears the cache, and you can do this on any app of choice. So any app, even the download application, 36.86 kilobytes, you can just clear that. Just come to clear cache, click on OK, and you're good to go. So that's basically how we do it. If you found that useful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.